Well, today on Straight Talk, I'm pleased to welcome Alonzo Adams, the chair of ARCSI, a division of ISSA, and the owner of the Busy Bee Cleaning Company in Westchester, Pennsylvania. Alonzo, how are you today?
I'm awesome, and thank you for having me again.
So today we're going to investigate something new from ARCSI, which is the Association for Residential Cleaning Experts, Professionals. It's called the ARCSI Learning Platform. Brand new, Alonzo. Tell us about it.
I'm excited about this, Jeff. This is something big. This is huge for us because we've been looking for a while to bring education that was from our association that was approved by ARCSI, which is Association of Residential Cleaning Services International. This is what we're backing because this is the true training certifications to be a professional in our industry. And that has always been our goal. This is why this was formed for ARCSI, is because we want to professionalize the industry. When we got together years back, a group of us back down in Maryland, we got together and this group was speaking about what could we do to change the perception of this industry because it was fragmented. There were people doing a lot of different cleaning procedures in things that were not beneficial for the employee as well as the client. So we knew we needed to do what was necessary to professionalize this industry. So some of us from across the country got together and we put together and formed ARCSI. And right now, this is a great time for us to actually increase our offering for association for our members and for potential members as well, especially what's going on with the pandemic. It's like more than ever, we need the proper education and training to know how to do a thorough job to prevent viruses or accidents from occurring or happening.
Absolutely. Well, it's cool you guys are putting together new programs, and this new ARCSI learning platform is going to be popular, I'm sure, really soon.
It's going to be
Tell us about the use of it. Is it included with membership? Is there a cost involved?
Yes, if you're a member, this is a part of your membership. But we want to give you value. This is all about making sure our members get the best value. So you're going to be able to find videos there. And we're talking about the leaders in our industry that's knowledgeable, that have been small business and small companies and have turned their businesses into something that has been scalable and have taken it to the $1 million levels and beyond. And every topic that you can imagine is going to be there for the videos, anything from marketing. It's going to be anything from how to actually do something with even SEO, customer service. It's all going to be there for how you can enhance and make your business more professional. All the videos are going to be there. It's also going to have a great training program that I'm happy to introduce, which is our professional house cleaning program. This is what for short, we say PHC. This is how you can take people that are working for you and give them the opportunity to get the training and knowledge needed to do a professional job. And this can also help you and the client as well as the employee, because this is, again, you're creating safety because people are knowing how to do things correct and in a safe manner. And this is a course that you can go through. And again, this is approved by the Association of Residential Cleaning Services International. So this is fantastic. And it's also learning for COVID as well, training there as well. That was GBAC helped endorse this as well.
All right. Well, it sounds really cool. You know, Alonzo, you've talked about it quite a bit here. Why don't we look at it? All right, Alonzo, this looks cool. Tell us about it.
Here you have our website here for the learning platform. And I'm just going to give you a little idea what's available currently there. So you're going to see the courses that we have right now currently, and we are going to add more to this. This is the PHC certification that we were talking about. That, you notice right now is at $149. We also have the COVID-19 one that's there for $59 as well. So I'm going to also take you into the webinar library that we have here. So when you look at the library that we currently have, you can select the months because we have so many of them. There was ones that were done in January through March, and you can also take a look at what's available currently there. And it's breaking down from simple things, how to make 2020 your most profitable year yet. And you could see we have people like Debbie Sardone there. We have Sharon Cowan there as well. So a lot of names, there's myself. This was actually a part of your show as well there, Jeff, as you have me, Elena, and Carrie there as well. So there's a lot of great things that you can actually take your time at your time. This is the great thing about all of this that we wanted, Jeff. We wanted this to be convenient and you could access it at any time, because our members have been constantly telling us, hey, I can't always make it when it's Hot Topic Tuesday. Where can I get that information from? It's here. It's available to you. All the education to make your business a professional entity is all here. So, Jeff, another thing that we were bringing up that we want to dive into, let's look at what this course looks like. So if you actually click into the PHC certification, we get an idea what's there. This is modules. So these modules you could take at any time. There's a time for the introduction of going through that, what professionalism is. There's also another module that's going through that's going to be teaching you about the principles of working safely, and also about just the health and the science, the chemistry behind cleaning. So we're going to do some deep diving into these modules, as well as looking at what's going on with the surfaces. So we can get an idea of how to properly train people of how to clean those surfaces and be knowledgeable about what are those surfaces. So this is an in-depth course. And again, it's convenient, it's accessible, and you can do it whenever you feel like you can do it and complete the course. And after each section, you will get a test on each section. As you can see, the questions here from 15 to 10 questions that you will actually be able to answer.
So cool. I didn't know I was on this. Our recording we did, Alonzo. That's nice. So
your money, man, all day. Money
all right.
All day.
Hey, so this program is for ARCSI members. There's some free features and some paid features, it looks like.
Yes.
And the certification obviously is a paid feature. Anything else you want to highlight about this program?
Well, we want to get as many people trained as possible. This is what's about professionalizing the industry. This is, let's say, for instance, people are going to say, well, I have my own training. But this is the foundation of the training by teaching you the nuts and bolts of what really needs to be done in professional house cleaning. So if you have more, say, for instance, you're saying to yourself, is there a discount if I have more employees that actually take this test? Yes, it is. As you can see, 6 to 15, there's going to be a 15% discount. 16 to 25, there's. And 51 and up, there's a 50% discount to be able to take this. So again, why would I do this as a business owner myself? It's important to me, for one, I want retention. Retention is important, and if they're gonna come work for my company, we're gonna be professional inside and outside. A lot of the companies are just professional on the outside with how they're actually wrapping their vehicles, their signage, their uniforms. But what about inside? Is there training inside of the company that makes me feel that when I come to this company, this is a professional organization? This is the culture, professionalism there. And this is what's key to our industry, is that we have to understand the key to scaling our businesses and to bring in, for us to be taken seriously, is to have the professionalism mindset. Our mindset has to be, how am I representing my company, my industry as a true and tried professional?
This is a great program, Alonzo. Congratulations to you, your team, and those at ARCSI that put this together. How can people find this?
Well, you want to definitely go over to ARCSI Learning at ARCSI.org. And again, that is ARCSI Learning at ARCSI.org. You can go right there and you can begin the process of taking the course, and you can get started today.
Well, we'll see how many do that. I'm sure it'll be talked about on social media and amongst professionals all over the place. Well, Alonzo, great stuff.
Yes, and if anyone has any questions or anything, reach out to me, the council, or Aaron, and we'd be happy to assist you for getting you set up and getting you on this platform and getting you certified. You and your staff.